In the darkness, what's the easiest way to light it up? Introducing urFlamp C6 flashlight with a dual control system. The urFlamp C6 is more than just a flashlight. It's a versatile lighting solution that fits in the palm of your hand. With its dual control system featuring both button and sensory switches, the C6 allows for easy operation with the touch of the switch button or a simple wave of your hand. You can turn it on or off and easily adjust the brightness from eco to high power mode effortlessly. The C6 is a lightweight yet powerful flashlight, weighing only 126 grams with a maximum output of 2,000 lumens. Equipped with a TIR concave lens, the C6 combines the characteristics of both floodlight and spotlight, making it perfect for everyday use or as a reliable headlamp for outdoor adventures. Its magnetic tail allows for hands-free use, making it ideal for working in tight spaces or during emergencies. With a battery life of up to 172 hours, the urFlamp C6 will be by your side when you need it most. With its IP68 waterproof rating and 1.5 meter drop test, the urFlamp C6 is a reliable and durable essential for both work and play. Light up your life with urFlamp C6, a reliable and durable lighting solution for all your needs.